para sa sarili ko. Maging malakas ka ha, kasi marami pa tayong laban na dapat ipanalo. Gusto kong maging matatag ka pa. Huwag kang susuko, hindi ngayon, hindi kailanman. Laban lang!
Though we both know it was just a lie, I had to do it, 'cause I'd said anything to help me get through it. That you reached out for my hand, and your simple touch was more than I could stand. And I had to turn away, 'cause I knew all the hurt that she was feeling, I was feeling too. Swear that falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. She could have gotten angry and made me feel like a guilty child, but I realized never was such time. Wanted her to hurt me and not treat me like a friend. I wanted her to say there'd be someday. I've been falling on my knees, as a man again. But she acted like it ain't until the end.
Mama, sa tulong bigay, napit lang mo sa lahat.
Oh, lady.
Maraming salamat.
But you finally made a sound, and I guess she understood either way, 'cause her silence told me everything she could not say. When it falls apart, there's just no easy way, and there's just
May mga magbibigay ako. Maraming
there's
salamat.
no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Oo, parang kakalaman natin si Kuya Jess. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. Sa pamilya, may pagkakagod